We are going to use simple additions and subtraction to solve the following linear inequalities. So in example 1, we have x minus 5 is greater than negative 3. So to be able to solve this, we need to take care of this negative 5 by adding 5 to both sides of the inequality. So whenever you are adding, so let's solve this. So it's going to be x minus 5 greater than negative 3. So we want to add 5 to both sides of the inequality, okay? So negative 5 minus 5, that would be 0. So at the end of the day, we have x greater than negative 3 plus 5, that would be positive 2. So that's our answer. And then now we can show the answer as a number line. So let's show the answer as a number line. So let's just say this is 0, this is 2. So in this case, we have s is greater than 2. So it's going to be an open circle, okay, because 2 is not included and it's going to the right, okay. So you can say 2, 4, okay. So the graph the graph of the inequality will go to the right, starting from 2 that is not included. So you can represent the answer as this or this. So for question number 2, we have 9 greater than x plus 7. So again, we want to isolate this 7 x on one side. So we want to get rid of the 7 by subtracting 7 from both sides. So we have 9, okay. So we want to subtract 7 from both sides. Minus 7 is greater than x plus 7 minus 7, okay. So 7 minus 7 goes to 0. So 9 minus 7 gives us 2. So we have 2 greater than x. So in this case, we have 2 greater than x. So that means our x is going to be less than 2, okay. 2 greater than x means s less than 2. So these two, they represent the same thing. So now we can show this on the number line. Okay, so again, we have 0, we have 2, 4. So in this case, s is less than 2. It's still going to be an open circle. Now going to the left. So the answer can be represented as inequality, or it can be represented as on the number line. Okay. For question number 3, we have 10 plus p less than or equals to 4. So we want to subtract 10 from both sides to get rid of this positive 10. So we are going to have 10, okay, plus p. Now we want to subtract 10 from both sides, minus 10. I'm color coding so that you can see exactly what is going on. So 10 minus 10 goes to 0. 4 minus 10 becomes negative 6. So p in this case is less than or equals to negative 6. So that is the answer. We can now represent the answer again on the number line. So here is negative 6. So you can say negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, okay. So this is 0, this is 2, this is 4. So for negative 6, we are going to, and because it is less than or equals to, so you want to use a closed circle or shaded circle. And this is definitely going to the left, okay. So that would be the answer in this case. So for question number 4, we have negative 17 less than or equals to m minus 14. So just like you did in number 3, we want to get rid of this negative 14. So to get rid of minus 14 or negative 14, we have to add 14 to both sides. So let's do that. So it's going to be negative 17, then plus 14 that we want to add to both sides, less than or equals to m minus 14 that we had before, then plus 14. So we are adding this 14 to both sides. So 14 minus 14 again goes to 0. Negative 17 plus 14, that will give us negative 3, less than or equals to m. So we need to rotate this again to be able to find our answer. So the answer will be m is greater than or equals to negative 3. Again, whenever you have negative 3 less than or equals to a variable, then that means the variable is going to be greater than or equals to negative 3. So we can also plot this. Okay, we can plot this on a number line. So we have we are looking for negative, so we can say 0, negative 3, negative 6, positive 3, 6. So for negative 3, it's going to be a closed circle and it's going to the right.